great, and then you're going to go 300 days not great, and then come back and do it again. That's, to me, again, I'm not telling people what to do. Do whatever you want. If you love it, great. What's sustainable? What can I get up and do every damn day forever? So I eat that way. I prep the meals, ground turkey, grass-fed beef, salmon, are my staples for protein.
So do you do like Sunday prep days?
What typically, whenever I put it to you this way, whenever I do cook, I cook for multiple meals.
Okay.
So I don't have to have like an entire week. To be honest with you, by day 4 of that, I don't really like it. To be honest,
does it just start getting
especially if you say like salmon or something like that, and it's been sitting in there for 3 or 4 days. I just can't do it, right?
Yeah, It's probably not healthy either at that point, right?
Yeah, who knows? I'm usually 2 or 3 days at a time.
Okay.
But there's never a time where I cook for one meal. Never. All my meals are cooked for multiple meals.
So and it's probably better.
So then you get 3
right?
or 4. Yeah, you can get 2 or 3 meals out of whatever. So if I had ground turkey, so I have ground turkey, broccoli. And then I just mix up whatever I mix it with, right? Like I have like probably 20 different types of mustard or whatever. You know what I mean? Try to stay away from things that have too much high in sugar.
Yeah.
I try to stay as clean as I can because, Michael's going to finish a baseball game and they're going to want to go get pizza. You know what I mean? And
you want to
I want to have a piece of pizza. Like I do. Probably more than one. You know what I mean?
So then you have to put, and go back to the bank metaphor, right? Like you have to put those in the bank so that you have and also even the time that we met, right? I was running productivity at that specific office at the time we met. I had 2 offices, so I was going back and forth. I got to be sharp, man. My brain needs to work. And so everything that I do now is for performance and more just brain performance. Not like I need to run, jump, and be the fastest guy or the strongest guy. Like I'm not trying to win a CrossFit Games anymore. But when I talk about performance, I want to be sharp. I'm coming to meet you today, right? Yeah.
I can't eat a bunch of shit and come here all sluggish and, feel like shit. I need to be sharp. I need to be on my game. So every meal is right on. That's going to keep me fresh. And then if you think like that, again, it should taste good because otherwise you're not going to eat it.
Right. Something
if
you
don't
do
like
every day
salmon,
for the rest of your
what
life.
do you like, right? If you don't like turkey, what do you like, right? You're like, oh, fuck, I don't like those things. This guy's full of shit. You know what I mean? It doesn't work for me. I get that I used to get that all the time.
I don't think I like the ground stuff, the ground beef,
Sure.
I do like ground beef. I don't like ground chicken or ground turkey, but I do like slices, deli slices type stuff. But
so it just depends. Like I said, you got to find the things that work for you. Find the things you'll know. Because if you go through a day and you're like, man, my energy was great, look and see what you just did. What just happened? How did I sleep the night before? What did I eat the day before? You can start to figure these things out on your own. I mean, today, you could call telehealth and they'll come and take your blood and tell you exactly what to do and how to do it and all that kind of stuff. I'm a feel guy, man. Like, do I feel good? No?
Yeah.
Okay, what the hell have I been doing? Oh, shit, I didn't sleep well. I went out the night before. I did this or did that, right? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If I feel great, I'm like, what is that? Oh, I changed this, I changed that, And whatever those little changes are, can I sustain them?